going on, guys? Today on Silence Cooking, we're gonna make burritos. But before we get started, a lot of people were asking me questions about what type of utensils I use and how do I get them. Well, we use all the basic stuff that they provide for us in CDCR, and I'm gonna show you guys right now with this razor right here. This is the razor. I pry it open utilizing this little can opener that they provide for us to the canteen. I pop it open right here. Just stick it in between those two little crevices and just pop it. Pretty simple. Just like that. And you get a razor. See that? And that's what I utilize to cut the tomatoes and the onions and the meats. All these things right here. And as for the fryer, you guys, a lot of people ask questions about the fryer as well. I'm gonna show you guys how we got it. They sell these to us through the quarterly packages, and it's a hot pot. This is the way we warm up our water. Well, the thing about it is inside is a little metal plate. We dismantle this whole thing, utilize the wiring and the metal plate to fry up all our food, putting it underneath a metal surface, and that's how we'll be able to fry all the food, everything up. And those are the utensils I'll be using on a regular basis when I'll be cooking all these foods for you guys. So, but today it's gonna be burritos. We're gonna sit here and we're gonna utilize the turkey log, some cheesy rice, obviously the tortillas, some mayonnaise, and we got cheese as well if you want to utilize that, some deli bites, and we're just gonna fry it all up and make it look really good. And I'll be able to show that to you guys in these following videos. You guys can see we're frying up the meats right now and everything. I don't know about you guys, but I like my meat kind of toasty, so it's gonna be a little bit fried up. My celly likes it like that too, so we're on the same page about that one. That's why you wear gloves, so you can make sure you get everything done right. You see how raw crisping up. You guys look over here, we already got the tomatoes and onions sliced up. This meat's gonna get fried up next, and we're gonna start cooking the tortillas. If you guys look over here too, we got the beans ready, the canned beans warming up through here. Once we get those warm, we got the hot pot going over here on the other side with this water to hook these up in the rice. Now I'm gonna start cooking the tortillas. I'm gonna fry up the burrito after I done roll it all up, and I'm gonna show it to you guys. It's gonna be fire. Alright, so now that's how we cook the tortilla and everything right here. Once we get all of the meat fried, we set it to the side and we sit here and we start cooking our tortilla. Tortilla is ready, so now I'm gonna show you guys how I make these burritos real quick. Set it down right there. Apply a little mayonnaise. Mix it all around real quick. Make sure it's spread out pretty even. Put some beans in there. It's just gonna be beans and meat real quick on the burrito. I'm not gonna apply the rice because the rice is gonna be on the side. I'm gonna grab the meat from over here. I'm gonna put it on top. Just like that. Then we're gonna sit here, we're gonna put some tomatoes on there. Some fresh cut tomatoes. A little bit of onions. Just like that. Then we're gonna roll it up. Bam, just like that. Nice little burrito. I'm gonna throw it over on the stove. Give it a fry one more time, just like that. Well, see, the thing is, I want to make sure there's a nice little crisp on both sides and it stays warm. You guys notice I put the meat to the side over here so it could stay warm while I'm cooking and doing everything else. So that's how we're gonna make the burritos, and they're gonna taste fire too. See, a little crisp, just a little quick crisp. Hold it down. Do both ends. Grab it up and set it down right here, and that's how it's going to be right there. That's the finished product right there, along with a little soda on the side. And that's how we eat over here in the pen.